Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will show how to plot stem and leaf plots in R. So we know stem and leaf is a method of displaying the numbers by dividing the numbers into stem and leaf. And it is very useful to show both the counts of the numbers and the shape of the distribution of the data. So for example, this is a series of sample data, and this is a stem and a leaf plot. So you can see the left side is stem and the right side are the leaves. So for number 59, so the stem is 5 and the leaf part is 9. And for number 74, 77, 78, so these are stem with 7 and a leaf with 4, 7, 8. So next we will show how to plot stem and leaf plots in R. So this is a vector called score with about 10 numbers. We just can use stem score. So this is a very simple stem and leaf plot. And sometimes the number will be very large and stem and leaf plot will automatically, by default, show very straightforward way. So for example, check weight data frame has a weight variable, and there are about 600 numbers for this variable. So if we show stem check weight, the stem leaf plot will have the stems 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 10, and so on. And the leaf will show almost the shape of this variable. This is like a shape. So you can see 4 has many leaves. Here, the plus sign means omit. There are about 38 leaves omitted. And you can also use the parameter scale to adjust the length of the stem and the leaf. So for example, we set scale 5 for this stem and leaf plot for the weight variable. Let's see. It's a very long stem and a leaf. But if we set scale 20, then this time the stem have 3 numbers. So this will make the stem leaf plot even longer. And another useful parameter is width, which will set the maximum length of the leaf. Say we use stem of this variable and with 100. So almost all leaf numbers displayed, but several leaf number use omission. So here 18 leaves omitted for the stem 4. But for this variable, use with 100 quite appropriate. And if we use width 20, almost stay the same as before, but the leaves has many omitted. Here 98, 68, 39 leaves omitted. So which kinds of options depends on the data you can use. Thanks for watching.